GlucoSlim, available from Insulin Global, supports how the insulin produced by your pancreas optimizes the glucose you consume and process in your gut. Obesity is a chronic but treatable disease associated with excess weight. 100 million people in the United States, 1 in 3, are affected by obesity. The Centers for Disease Control, CDC, report that the same 1 in 3 Americans who struggle with obesity are also at risk for type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep apnea, high cholesterol, and osteoarthritis. The effects of diabetes alone range from brain fog to loss of limbs, vision, and even death. But there is good news. Weight loss may improve these weight-related conditions. Life sometimes grants us a chance to make small changes that profoundly affect the trajectory of our health and our lives. NutriVeda GlucoSlim by Insulin Global responds to America's most pressing health threats by combining 3 time-tested and heavily researched herbs that support healthy blood sugar levels that are needed to optimize weight. Astonishingly, mysterious Vedic sages first used these 3 herbs thousands of years ago to support digestive fire. NutriVeda's Ayurveda-inspired formula, GlucoSlim, combines the roots of wisdom with the wings of science to deliver a powerful yet tender mercy, crafted through nature and assembled by NutriVeda. Here is a recent testimonial. NutriVeda GlucoSlim helps keep my blood sugar normal. I've even lost some weight. Thank you, Injuli. Testimonial sent by Go Lightly, Savannah, Georgia. With over 75 active components, aloe vera is a nutritional powerhouse in GlucoSlim. Acemannan, the primary active ingredient, may help people optimize fasting blood glucose levels and reduce body fat and weight. Aloe also helps counteract insulin resistance, support digestion, calm hypertension, flush bad cholesterol, and improve key risk factors associated with heart disease. Ceylon cinnamon, another key ingredient in GlucoSlim, is well respected for its blood sugar lowering properties. It has been shown to decrease the amount of sugar that enters your bloodstream after a meal by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates. The key bioactive in GlucoSlim, cinnamaldehyde, further mimics insulin's effects to improve sugar uptake within cells and lessen insulin resistance. White mulberry, a major ingredient in GlucoSlim, has a key bioactive known as DNJ that lowers blood sugar after eating complex carbohydrates. White mulberry may also lower triglyceride levels and bad LDL cholesterol, while improving good HDL cholesterol. Understanding the principles of epigenetics, assembled in GlucoSlim, with its ability to switch on genes that combat the effects of obesity, we begin to understand and appreciate the marvelous symbiotic relationship we have with nature and all her bounty. A recent customer testimonial: I ordered NutriVeda GlucoSlim from Insulin Global, and wow! It works! My numbers are averaging 100 to 120. This product is awesome. I highly recommend it. Testimonial sent in by M. Stringham, Bethesda, Maryland. Check out the additional testimonials at anjulaglobal.com. Thank you for watching.